If you're watching this and you feel like giving up, listen, because I get you. I lost 3 million pesos before, and it's because I got scammed by someone I trusted. I wasn't doing anything illegal or wrong. I just wanted to help my family live the life that they deserve. But then one day, everything that I worked hard for, gone. I was deep in debt. I owed money to my family, to my friends, people I cared about. I even got harassed. I lost friendships. I lost trust in myself. I felt so small. And the worst part, I felt like God abandoned me. Because I wasn't a bad person. I didn't deserve it. I felt like I didn't deserve it, but it still happened. At that point, I thought maybe I should just stop. Maybe that was the end for me. But one day, I attended a personal development seminar. And there's something that the speaker said that pierced right through me. He said, "You are nothing but the beautiful creation of God." And in that moment, something in me clicked. I realized if God created me, then He didn't create me to suffer forever. He didn't create me just to suffer. He created me to grow. And if He gave me this problem, He's also going to be the one to give me the solution. And He gave me this problem because it was meant for me to use those problems for me to grow. So I stopped waiting for a miracle and I started taking control back in my life. I built something new. I started choosing myself again. I built a coaching business just to pay back my debts. Slowly, I gained momentum. One client turned into two turned into 10, and the same people who doubted me now believes in me again. Fast forward to where we are now, I built an 8-figure media production company. I bought my dream house, I bought my Tesla, and more importantly, I gained back my self-respect. Looking back, I realized that that moment of pain was part of a bigger plan. I needed to lose everything to realize what I was capable of becoming. And I remember what I would tell my younger self, that I still tell myself right now if I ever come across a big problem. And it's this: this too shall pass. Because it always does. You just have to keep going. You gotta focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Because life isn't about just the highs. It's also about the moments that can break you. But you don't have to let one phase define you. So if you're at your breaking point right now, listen. You won't lose unless you quit. You are stronger than you think. You are not broken, you're being built. Trust me, help is on its way. So pick yourself back up, start fighting again, because one day you look back at this moment and say, it was the beginning of your comeback. So again, remember, this too shall pass.